Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these foil birds from the trays that we've sent you in the post. Using one of the trays, first of all we're going to cut out as close to the edge as we can of the bottom piece. Put this piece to one side because we're going to use this for the wings. So with this piece we're going to fold it in half. And with using either the template that we've sent you on the email or by making your own template in this design, we're going to pop the template on top and just have the spine of the template where the fold is at the top. So the bottom there is where it's open and the top is where the fold is. So using a pencil, a pen or a bamboo skewer or anything with a bit of a sharp point on, go around the template. Now I've cut this piece a little bit small, but that's fine because with the scissors I'm just going to shape around this a little bit. So then using the scissors, we're going to cut round . Now with this piece here, which is going to be the tail, I'm just going to pop a bend in and just run your finger over to make a crease and then straighten it back out. And then the same on the other side, you'll be able to see the crease. There we go, and straighten it back out. And then just where the head is here, we're just going to fold over once and fold it back out. Now with our scissors we're going to cut a very small amount just off the back there, from the point of the tail crease to the point of the neck. So this will make a tiny cut in the back of the bird here. Now using this bit that we cut off before, we cut it in half on the crinkly corner piece. We just chop it there. I think I'm going to use this piece because there's lots of nice foil left on here. I'll fold in half and then cut out a wing shape. And don't worry if you don't feel happy with the wings once you've done them, because you have got another piece there that you could cut the wings out of. And there's some wings. And then with the wings, and to open up the bird, just slide those through that gap. Not all the way through, so then just when you can feel the fold, give it a squeeze there, and then you can bend and shape the wings. You might want to have a play with that for a little while until you're happy with how the wings have shaped. And then with the tail you can just fan it out. And there you go, there's your foil bird.